A cruise without a proper ristretto is not a vacation. It is a survival situation. I haven't tried the coffee on every ship in the world, but today I am exposing exactly how 11 cruise lines and luxury suite classes rank on the ultimate coffee snob scale. We are judging the machines, the beans, the baristas, and the absolute tragedy of the paper cup. And fair warning, you are going to be surprised. A massive underdog of the cruising industry actually comes out third in this ranking, completely destroying some very expensive competition. But before, a key measure. A true ristretto is a test of a ship's soul. It requires 18 grams of coffee, 15 milliliters of water extracted in exactly 17 seconds. But you know me, all the data can be found in the link in the description. Check it yourself. No fluff, no long intros. Let's get down to business. Number 11, Norwegian Cruise Line. We start at the bottom of the barrel. On a standard NCL sailing, you are entirely at the mercy of Starbucks. The cruise line itself practically doesn't offer proper espresso. There is sometimes a hidden machine at the buffet, but it is completely excluded from any standard drinks package. You are paying out of pocket for mediocrity. However, a glimmer of hope. NCL's Free at Sea Plus now includes Starbucks one shot at a time. I'm going to test this in my upcoming NCL Luna sailing. If they serve it to me in a proper porcelain cup, they might just bump up a spot. But for now, dead last. Number 10, Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean is very similar to Norwegian, but they do offer the Cafe Select card, which is a small step up. But beware the paper cup horror. At most spots, including Starbucks, they will hand over a delicate ristretto in a waxed paper cup. The exception, if you are on an Icon class ship and know the secret, head to Rye and Bean bar. There you will find real baristas and the proper porcelain cups. But you have to know it's there. Now for the Sweet Life upgrade tier. Number 9, NCL's The Haven. We jump back to NCL, but this time we are behind the velvet rope in The Haven. What a difference a keycard makes. Coffee drinks are included at the Haven spots, and you get a brilliant Nespresso machine right in your suite. But the real secret? The excellent French press coffee served at the Haven restaurant. It almost makes you forget the Starbucks monopoly outside. Number 8, Royal Caribbean Sky Suites. A step up from standard Royal Caribbean. The Sky Suites grant you access to Coastal Kitchen and the Suite Lounge. Here, you finally get your coffee in a porcelain cup. However, you are still dealing with automated self-service coffee machines. It is a dignified cup, but it lacks the soul of a human touch. The Respect-a-Bean tier. Number 7, Holland America Line. Finally, we arrive at a line that respects the bean. Enter the Grand Dutch Cafe. This is the first spot on our ranking to offer proper, highly trained baristas pulling fantastic shots. Everything is served in proper porcelain, and best of all, the coffees are included in the drinks package. A true oasis at sea. Number 6, Celebrity Cruises. Celebrity brings us Cafe al Bacio. This isn't just a coffee counter, it's a place to actually sit and appreciate the true cafe atmosphere. They offer excellent coffee and tea tailored to your taste, manned by real baristas. And yes, it is all beautifully included in the drinks package. Number 5, Virgin Voyages. Virgin Voyages brings their trendy edge to coffee with 2 Grounds Club locations. Now, their default is to serve your coffee in a paper cup, but here is the insider secret. Just ask the barista for a ristretto in a porcelain cup. They will instantly recognize you as a fellow connoisseur and treat you accordingly. There isn't a traditional drinks package here, but you can easily use your bar tab. Number 4, Viking Ocean Cruises. Viking takes coffee seriously. They have multiple spots across the ship manned by real baristas, with the exception of the self-service buffet. But the reason they rank this high? Their spiked coffees. Their package allows for endless variations: Irish, Jamaican, Scottish, French. But my absolute favorite is the Lord Nelson coffee spiked with Armagnac. It is an exploration of flavor. Now the coffee summit tier. Number 3, MSC Cruises. Here is the underdog I promised you. MSC is the undisputed champion of the mainstream lines. Baristas and proper coffee machines are everywhere. Better yet, the coffee is included, unlimited, in your drinks package. It's an Italian cruise line, and they simply do not compromise on their espresso. Need I say more? And number 2, MSC Yacht Club. Take that amazing MSC Italian coffee culture and elevate it. In the Yacht Club, the barista sees me approaching and is already brewing my ristretto at the absolute perfect temperature, waiting for me in a warm porcelain cup. Add in the personal espresso machine in my suite, and it is near perfection. Number 1, Explora Journeys. But if the Yacht Club is near perfection, the Crema Cafe on Explora Journeys is the absolute summit. Nothing beats this. They offer a staggering variety of coffee beans, an array of different milks, and precise temperature controls for everything coffee. And as if the Crema Cafe wasn't enough, they have proper espresso machines at every bar, every lounge, and every restaurant. It is, without a doubt, coffee heaven on the high seas. So, did your favorite cruise line survive the coffee snob scale? Let me know in the comments if you agree, or if there is an hidden maritime cafe I need to test next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, stay caffeinated, my friend.